Somebody hear my shit, I'm gonna split they shit. You said, oh, the tool? Here you go, young foolie. You already know.
You got it, man. I'm not doing this shit.
We're gonna loosen this up for my boy. He said my shit was too loose, too tight. So what way would it be? It'd be left. I had a little slow moment. My bad. Oh shoot. Good? Back two?
Yeah, both of them.
Alright, you damaged my shit. I'm gonna fucking do something to you. So he said now you want to test it out. I mean, what else you want to do? You want to fuck it? Good?
Yeah, it feels better.
Yeah, definitely. Hey.
Hell no.